What kind of life skill, about if they take lessons from you, what kind of life skills can they take this? How is this going to help them in their future?
They would be learning critical thinking. So they would be learning how to not only think for the requirements, but above what's being asked of them. They would be learning self-defense. They would be learning aesthetic as well. So developing their own voice and their own style, self-confidence, presentation, professionalism, discipline. Dancers and martial artists are very disciplined. Respect, all the values that come with the practices. A deeper sense of themselves, a rootedness in themselves, which is very helpful for people growing up, for kids who are in schools. So they're not so deterred by so many different influences, but rather they can be their own pillar of influence. Very important for young people growing up.
I would also imagine, I can only imagine that the ability to be a creative thinker
Right.
is to me a great value in its own.
Right.
How do you foster that in your program?
I foster being a creative thinker in my program, in partner activities, group activities, visualization. Meditation is also there. Meditation is a big aspect because that is cultivating your own internal voice. And that is a big place, an influence to come from when you are creating. You want to come from your own voice. There's also reflection that's involved, so that we're not only learning by technique and a copy and paste type of thing, but we are taking breaks to really connect with the material that's being presented. So in these sorts of ways, we're also asking questions about our own families. Where are our families from? What do these places say about who we are now? What makes the place that my grandparents came from different from here? And how do I use that in a way that enhances me wherever I'm at? My name is Toni. I am a choreographer and a multidisciplinary artist.